Hello friends and welcome to Parks Crafty Creations. I'm your host Brian Parks, and today we're going to tackle one of my absolute favorite little scrapbuster projects, the folded 4-patch coaster. Before we get started, if you enjoy this content, be sure to give us a like below, as it really does help out the channel. Do it now please, and if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell icon so you'll always be notified whenever a new video drops. And hey, if you love what we do here, be sure to share us with your friends. Now, this project checks all the boxes. It's quick, it's fun, it uses up those leftover fabric scraps we all have piling up in bins, and it's a fantastic introduction to sewing for beginners, kids, grandkids, anyone learning the basics of sewing. Plus, they make wonderful handmade gifts. And if you're headed to a craft show, these little guys are always a crowd pleaser. Trust me, people love practical handmade items, and coasters are right up there on the top of that list. Let's talk about what you'll need. You don't need a lot for this project. Just 5 different 5-inch pre-cut squares, one square of batting cut to the same size, a neutral, all-purpose thread, and your basic sewing tools. Now, when it comes to fabric choices, you've got options. If you want something classy, stick with coordinating colors or a single theme. Think farmhouse neutrals, modern florals, or holiday prints. But if you want something bold and playful, mix it up with bright colors, crazy patterns, and mismatched textures. Sometimes the more unexpected the combo, the more fun the final result. Okay, let's get started. We're going to take 4 of our fabric squares and fold each one in half, wrong sides together. Yes, I said wrong sides together, which might feel backwards, but trust me, it's going to make sense in just a minute. Give each one a quick press with your iron so they stay nice and crisp. Now, grab your last square. That's going to be the base, and lay it right side up on top of the batting. This is the foundation of your coaster. From here, we're going to start placing our folded pieces one at a time. First piece goes across the top half, raw edges aligned with the outside. Pin it into place on the left portion of the fabric. This is important for a little later in the assembly. Second piece goes on the right side, overlapping that first one. Pin that too. Third piece goes across the bottom. See how this is starting to form a little frame around the center? It's like building a fabric sandwich puzzle. Now, here comes the clever part. Remember how I pinned the first piece on the left side instead of the right? That's because we need to do a little overlap trick. Remove that first pin and take your last folded square. Lay it across the left side, but tuck half of it under the very first piece. It's like weaving them together so they lock into place. Lay that first piece back down, and boom, you've got a perfectly arranged 4-patch coaster front. Now, pin it into place. Alright, let's sew this up. Take your coaster over to the machine and stitch all the way around with a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and the end. This will lock your stitches and keep everything secure. And here's a tip. Since you're sewing through several layers, go slow and steady. No need to rush. This is where neat stitching really makes your project shine. If you have trouble keeping the layers from shifting on you, using a walking foot can help. Now, before we turn this right side out, we need to trim away a little bulk. Grab your scissors and cut each corner off on the diagonal. Don't cut into your stitches, just enough to reduce extra fabric in your corners. For our newer sewists, this is a technique you'll see over and over in sewing. Anytime you're turning something inside out, clipping or trimming your corners helps your finished piece look neat and professional. Okay, here comes the magic part. Watch closely. We're going to turn the coaster right side out by pushing the batting and backing through the folded flaps. It feels a little like turning out a pillow, only on a smaller scale. Give it a gentle push, and you'll see those neat fabric folds pop into place. If your corners look a little shy, grab a chopstick, knitting needle, or turning tool, and carefully nudge them out. Just don't poke too hard, or you'll go right through the fabric. Once you're happy with the shape, give the whole coaster a good press with your iron. This is where it really transforms into that polished, finished look. And there you have it, a folded 4-patch coaster. Isn't that fun? It's simple, it's quick, and it looks way more complicated than it actually is. That's the kind of project I love. Now, here's the thing. One coaster is cute, but a set of 4 or 6 tied with a ribbon? That's a gift anyone would be excited to receive. Think housewarming presents, holiday gifts, teacher appreciation, or even stocking stuffers. And if you're selling at craft shows, you can package these in sets and watch them fly off your table. People love practical handmade items they can actually use. You can also customize these for different seasons. Pumpkins and leaves for fall, bright florals for spring, even novelty fabrics like sports teams or movie themes. The possibilities are endless. And if you really want to impress, pair a set of these with one of our 10-minute table runners and you'll really be onto something. I'll put a link to that tutorial up above and down in the description below in case you haven't already seen that video. So, there you have it, friends. The folded 4-patch coaster. A quick little project with big impact. If you make some of these, I'd love to hear how they turned out. Drop me a comment below and let me know what fabrics you used. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and ring that notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming sewing projects. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Go dig through your scrap bin and start whipping up some coasters. You'll be hooked in no time. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time.